How to get 4,000 watch hour the easy way in 2025. Welcome back. My name is OGOM'S. Please do well to subscribe to the channel. Give this video a huge and massive thumbs up and let's get right into it. One of the requirements of getting monetized on YouTube is getting 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers. Now, if you're a monetized channel, let me know in the comment section how many years did it take you, or how many months did it take you, or how many weeks did it take you for you to get monetized on YouTube. I will always use myself for example. For me, I was almost 1 year on YouTube before I got my 4,000 watch hour. Why some people just posting one video can give them their 4,000 watch hour. Any watch time for which you accumulate will be calculated for you at the end of each 365 days. I stand to be corrected. YouTube will start reducing your watch time after 365 days. But Falabare, calm down. These are the ways for which you can get your 4,000 watch hour in no time. Now, number one is posting longer videos. Please and please, in as much as you're trying to post videos, there are different kinds of long form content for which you can post. There are videos that ranges from 8 to 10 minutes, and from 10 to 15 minutes, and from 15 to 20 minutes, and from 20 minutes to 30 minutes, and from 30 minutes to 1 hour upwards. Make sure that all the videos that you're trying to push out there are no irrelevant clips that you need to cut out. In as much as you're trying to reach your 8 minutes, in order for you to put ads in between your video, please do not stress or prolong a particular scene. If you are watching rice, watch rice for 2 seconds and remove it, move to the next scene, because even if you put the unnecessary parts, people will still skip your video. They will not stay long. They will be skipping to get to the place for which you're saying something reasonable or doing something reasonable. Try as much as possible to edit out the unnecessary parts. If you're doing your fast forward, please do your fast forward. Take it to 4 times or 2 times or 6 times in order for a particular scene whereby you are doing unnecessary things to pass, and still yet it will amount to a longer video that people will enjoy. Posting long form contents will help you get to your 4,000 watch hour. Remember that you need 10 million views and 1,000 subscribers if you're posting short form content to get monetized on YouTube. Don't say, I am only posting 8 minutes video and you are posting only once a week. How do you intend to keep your audience to show up 2 to 3 times in a week? Consistency can mean different things. Post 2 times in a week or post 3 times in a week. Your own consistency can be posting every day on YouTube, but longer form content of educative video in a way for which you can get to your 4,000 watch hour is whereby you are solving problem for people. When I mean solving problem for people is that your video should be able to teach someone 1 or 2 things, like how to invest your money in so bank in order for you to gain more interest, or how to get to your 4,000 watch hour in a month, or how to get your 1,000 subscribers in 30 days. If you have ways for which you save money, or for which you invest money, or for which you make money, film it on your channel so that when people watch it, you are solving a problem for someone. The aim is to get people to stay to watch your video. That is the audience retention, which brings us to the next point. Audience retention. What are you doing in your video to make people to stay in your video? What are you saying in your video to make people to engage in that particular video? You remember that there are different things that makes algorithm to push out video. If there are a lot of likes, if there are a lot of comments, and if they are leaving that comment, you are also replying and engaging them back. That is a way for which algorithm will say, okay, it seems people are watching this kind of video. And in the amount of shares for which people are doing in your video. Let's talk about the audience retention. Now, make sure that you are having hooks for which you're using to start your video, or saying in between your video that will make people to listen to the end of the video, to know what you are going to tell them towards the ending. Don't just start your video and you are saying everything about that particular video. No, in between the video, in the middle of the video, or towards the ending of the video, you are telling us the interesting part. Your storytelling should be top notch. Now go and learn how to do storytelling. You need to know how to tell your story, how to start your video that will make even somebody wants to cross that particular video. They will come back and say, okay, I heard the beginning of the video. It might be, this is how I got my 4,000 watch hour in 3 days. This is how I got 10,000 subscribers in a month. Those are the kind of things that when people hear, they will come back. You don't just start your video with a day in your life. Nobody wants to know about a damn day in your life. We don't want to know. Make sure that you are looking for something that you are telling us in the beginning of your vlog that will make us to watch. If it's about the thing that is happening in Nigeria, the amount of rain that is falling in Nigeria now can make a woman pregnant. The way that my husband has been following me about, I don't understand. Follow me in the day in the life of a Nigerian couple living in Abuja. Who will stay to watch that particular video? So your audience should be able to stay in your video to watch your video, because the more your audience retention, the more your average view duration is increasing and your watch time is also increasing. So your 4,000 watch hour cannot just be gotten from you posting video. You need to make sure that you are implementing something or applying something for people to watch, stay and enjoy that video. It's not when they watch maybe like few seconds or few minutes out of 25 minutes of a video that just staying in the 3 minutes. People are not even getting to the half of the video. Go to your YouTube studio, check the amount of time that people are staying to watch your video, your average view duration, the percentage for which your average view duration is. I will also be filming a content on how you can increase your average view duration, things that you need to do in your video for people to stay to watch your video. In that way, your average view duration will increase. It will be pointing up and not pointing down. Now, another way for which you can get to your 4,000 watch hour, the easy way on YouTube is promoting your long form content through your short form content. I have also filmed a video telling you guys that you cannot be posting a different thing on your shorts and be posting a different thing on your long form content, and you think you can keep those subscribers. They are not gonna keep them. You cannot be posting Big Brother on your short form content and you want people to come and watch your lifestyle. They don't want to watch your lifestyle. They want a proco. They want you on the streets. You cannot be posting vlog, and when you post your street interview, those are the kind of content that your audience watch. You have to go to the street. The street is calling you. Go and give us street interview, because that is what your audience wants. If your audience wants market vlog, go and give them market vlog. It is not hard. Now, how do I promote my long form content with my short form content? If you are posting your shorts and YouTube asks you related content, take the link. You have to tag the video of your long form content that is related to your short form content. That is in a way whereby if they are watching the shorts, after watching the shorts, the long form content will be what they're seeing and they can click to watch it. You can also post a trailer of your long form content. You know those few 2 minutes clips that usually play when we start our vlog. Post it on your shorts and tell people full detailed video on my YouTube channel. If you're a food content creator, you won't come and post the whole video of your long form content where you were cooking on shorts. All you have to do is the beginning of when you were starting the food and the ending of when you have finished cooking the jollof rice, and write for them full detailed video on my YouTube channel. They will click on your profile to come and watch the beginning and the end of that rice. And if you are posting your short form content, if you have any long form content that is related to what you are posting on your shorts, then put the link on your short form. In the description, I will just be putting a picture here, or maybe I will film a content on how you can actually achieve that. In that way, you are promoting your long form content through your shorts. People will finish watching the shorts, and if they want more, they will come to your channel and watch more. You have to make people to stay on your channel. Your audience should not leave your channel after watching one video. They need to stay there. They live there. No, they're not gonna buy, but they live there. After watching one video, the another video should make them to watch the next video, which brings us to creating a playlist. Do you have a playlist on your channel? Have you created a playlist? I have been hammering this. If you don't have a playlist, go and create a playlist. I have a video on how you can create a playlist. I have a playlist on everything that has to do with YouTube Masterclass, how you can grow your channel on YouTube. I have a playlist, how I got my 1,000 subscribers, few YouTube tips. I have been posting it there. Click on this particular playlist for which you're seeing here and watch everything about my YouTube growth. You're going to see it there. Now, what is YouTube playlist? YouTube playlist is whereby I am sectioning my video into the parts for which it belongs to. If I have different niche on my channel, fitness, vlogs, and market vlog, all I have to do is if I do market vlog, I create a playlist for it. All my market vlogs goes to one box. All my vlogs go to one box. My cooking content goes to one box. My fitness content goes to one box. So that when you post your content, you put the playlist of the video that it is related to. If you posted fitness, you can put the playlist of your fitness videos. When people finish watching one particular video, they will click on the playlist of your fitness and see everything that has to do with fitness. If it is your weight loss transformation, everything that you did during your weight loss transformation in order to lose weight, create it in one playlist so that people will help you to watch it. The more they watch one video, from one video they enter two video, from two video they enter three video. They will not know when they finish 15 video at once on your channel. Even if they're not staying long, at least encourage people to watch to the half, even to the end of your video. So having a playlist is very, very important on YouTube. Another way for which you can get your 4,000 watch hour on YouTube is making use of end screen. Anytime you post your content, make sure that there is a video at the end so that when they finish watching one, they will watch another one. They will click on the video at the end in order to watch other content that is related to what you have posted. If you have posted a vlog, at the ending, you might put a video of the previous vlog for which you have posted, or a video of your old vlog down on your channel that people that don't even know that you have. Some people have a different food recipes on their channel, but people don't know that they have it. Now, in this 2025, all you have to do is start putting your old videos as your end screen. In that way, you are also attracting people to go down to watch your old content. Remember that you can also change the thumbnail of your old video. If you want me to talk about that, let me know in the comment section how you can make your audience to go back to watch your old content in 2025, because you have to move with the trend. Yes, so make sure that you are putting end screen on your video so that when people finish watching your video, you might tell them, okay, I have a video coming up. I'll be putting it as an end screen, or I'll be putting it in the description box. In that way, people will catch up on more videos. If you have any video that you want to promote, put it in the description box or put it in the comment section. In that way, your watch time and your watch hour will be increasing. It's not by just posting video. You need to do the necessary things in order for people to stay on your channel. They need to watch 5 videos at once. Another way for which you can get your 4,000 watch hour on YouTube, in that way you will get monetized and start making money, is telling people to help you run your playlists. I don't know if I'm allowed to say that, but if you have people outside the country, because data is very expensive in Nigeria, even Wi-Fi is expensive, tell people, your family and friends outside the country, to help you run your playlist. If you haven't created a playlist, you're on your own, no, go and create a playlist and tell people to help you run the playlist. No matter how many hours that you get from there, it is definitely going to amount to something if you want to get to your 4,000 watch hour. If you tell them today, okay, I want you to help me run my playlist of fitness, they are going to watch like 100 video. They don't need to click on next. They can just leave it and go to sleep. Another way for which you can get to your 4,000 watch hour, because no amount of watch hour is small, so you need to take it by force. Make sure that you are coming live. And as you are coming live, have a controversial topic to talk about. Make sure that even if you don't want to show your face, as much as possible to be active in the comment section. Have something that you people want to talk about on your live stream, whether you are showing your face or not showing your face. Now, during my own time, I know that I did live stream so many times in order for me to get to my watch time. What I did is that any day that I know that I'm tired, I don't want to show my face, all I have to do is to pin a particular topic that people can relate to, then we'll be discussing it in the comment section. As people are dropping their opinion, you are also dropping your own comments. In that way, they will stay active in that particular live stream, and not just to keep Teddy B and go. But if you want to show your face and make people to come to your live stream to watch you, then you need to make sure that you are engaging them in your live stream. Have something that you people are talking about. If it is not the controversial thing that is happening in Nigeria, you can do giveaway. You people can start asking each other questions, or even invite people to come to your live stream. In that way, people would want to come and see different faces on your live stream. your watch time will be increasing when you are doing all these things. So it's not about just staying in one place and say, okay, my video is enough for me to get to my watch time. It is not enough. You need to do other things for people to stay to watch your video. And as they're watching your video, they're staying to watch your video for a longer time. And for your audience to stay long to watch your video, you need to post longer form content for them, relevant and educative, something that you are telling them in your video in order for them to watch. Don't just say, I have been posting content, but they are not watching, they are not staying long. What are you doing differently in that particular video? Are you saying differently in that video? What are you showing differently in that video for people to stay to watch? If you have a story to tell us, add your maggi, add your salt, mix everything together and give us output. That is what we want to know. We don't want to know the behind the scene. Give us results. We want to see results. Make sure that you are doing your video optimization very well so that your video will reach to a lot of audience and algorithm will push out your video to the right audience that are looking for it on YouTube. People will come to YouTube to search for different things, but when they stumble on your video on the homepage or recommended pages or up next, they would want to watch to see what you're talking about. Improve on your thumbnail. Your thumbnail is the first thing that people see before they click on your video. They don't even want to see your title. It's when they see the thumbnail, they will now look at the video title and now say, okay, let me click to watch this particular video. Different things will they see before they click a particular video, but make sure that you are improving every single thing that you have do in your power in order to improve your video quality, in order to improve your thumbnail so that people will click for you to watch and you will get to your 4,000 watch hour in no time. The last point that we'll be tackling today is engagement, which comes to the comment section. Have you been replying your comments? Why do you need to wait for 6 months for you to reply a comment of one video that you have posted? An upcoming content creator like you don't reply comments. It will take you 6 months for you to reply a comment of a video. It will now take you 1 year to reply the comments of 5 videos. I know we have different schedule, but your comment section lies a lot of things that you need to do there. The engagement for which you're seeking also lies in your comment section. It's not always about what you do in your video. Do you know that sometimes what you say in your video will prompt an audience to leave a comment? I went to the market to go and buy a basket of tomato. Could you believe that a basket of tomato is now 100,000 naira? Some people will come to the comment section. Oh, that is not how much they're selling in my side. Oh, if you are in Abuja, go to so market and buy. Oh, if you are in Castina, go to so place and buy. Oh, in Castina where I am, I usually buy from this market. Oh, you will see a lot of people leaving tips for you in the comment section. And also in that comment section lies different video ideas that you can crop out from there. Yes, you need to be creative. As you are getting to 1,000 subscribers, you need to think of another way for which you can get to 2,000 subscribers. And if you, even those that are 1 million subscribers, Wudimaya is still posting video today. Yes, they're still looking for ways for which they can get to 2 million subscribers. So whatever it is that you are doing, you are the one that will prompt someone to leave a comment on your video. You are the engagement that people are seeing because it's what you say that will make people to engage. Because if you are just saying, watch my content, do this, do that, some people don't even know that they need to subscribe to your channel. And some people don't even know that subscription is free. It is only by what you say. It is what you say that your audience will follow. If I don't tell you that I'm wearing red pants, you will not know that I'm wearing red pants. Yes, know it and know it today. So these are different ways for which you can get to 4,000 subscribers in 2025. If you want more of this kind of content, let me know in the comment section and tell me your highlights in this video. And remember, if you are on the verge of getting monetized, mind what you post on your channel so that what you have accumulated will not be a waste, because a lot of things can either make or mar your monetization. Whatever content that you are putting out there, make sure that it is aligning with the YouTube community guideline. If not, if you want to apply for monetization after going through the whole stress, they will deny you monetization. Oh my God! Mind what you post and remember, show up consistently. Consistently. Show up consistently. Consistently can be posting every day. or posting twice in a week or posting once in a week. But remember, if you are posting once a week, you need to know what you are telling us in that video that will make us to wait for you till the next week. If you are not giving us something tangible, I'm sorry, we'll move over to the next channel. I beg, pardon me. But I just want to tell you that keep hope up. If I got monetized, you too can get monetized. If people are making money on YouTube, you too can make it, but you need to put in the work and be patient with the results. And we have come to the end of this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you are seeing my face for the first time, please click on the subscribe button, click on the bell notification, share this video to someone that you know that really needs it. On all social media platforms, the share button is right there for which you can see it, and you can equally join my membership. Is another way for which you can support my channel, and I'll definitely see you guys. Remember, when you subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon for which you're seeing there. It will show you all, none, and personalized. All is you will always get notification anytime I post video like this, and you will be the first to watch. Okay, I'll see you guys. Bye.